Hey everyone, so recently we have released a new functionality of downloading the document as per counterparty. So earlier you used to face problem like custom field which are not displayed to the counterparty was being displayed. Let's take an example. If you go ahead and download from your end because it was considered as a local. So now we have made the change and we have provided a new option of download as counterparty where you can see that. So quickly, let's go to all modules. Then let's go to sales and purchase. Once we will come in sales and purchase, this is one of the invoice for a demo purpose. I will open that. After that, what you can see here, you will see an option of more. Click on this and from here you can click on download CP copy and it will download the PDF. In that particular PDF, there will be no custom field if it is hidden, and also the details which are meant to be internal will remain internally with you. So I hope this particular video it downloaded the PDF. Yeah, please check here. So I will open and here is the PDF of that particular document. So I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and download the document as counterparty. Have a good day ahead.